Our today's topic is Go and Catch a Falling Star, a poem or a song by John Donne. Welcome in the English e-lecture series of SPP Government College Dungarpur. When we study on the surface the song or the poem Go and Catch a Falling Star by John Donne, we come to know that there are 27 lines in the poem and they all are deceptively light. Second, it suggests attitude about love and the relation between the sexes, but carries a spiritual metaphor. As we have seen in our previous classes, that the tone of the poem is lightly satirical. The style is simple, the language is simple, but that is lightly satirical. Lightly satirical. Fourth, it has deeper truths peeking out from underneath the poet's assumed worldliness and cynicism. This poem is typically called song, and this is the part of, or it was published in 1633's collection poems, or the another name of this collection was Songs and Sonnets. In this stanza 1, few important points are there from the examination point of view. That there is a given list of impossible tasks. And what are these impossible tasks? These are like catch a falling star, a child from Mandrake root, getting a child from Mandrake root, finding the past years, or it's quite impossible to tell where the old past years are. And biblical myth, who cleft the devil's foot, mermaid singing, nobody is there in the world who can say that he hears mermaid singing, keep of envy stinging, and to tell that what wind who serves for an honest man. So this list in the poem gives of impossible tasks that come to the conclusion of self-made perception. Self-made perception of Donne, that the finding a woman with both qualities. And what are these both qualities? These two qualities are beauty and faithfulness, is quite impossible. In the second stanza, when we talk about the important points, then Donne asks a superhuman or a man with the blessed eye to see supernatural things. He asks that person to ride or travel 10,000 days and nights, a long period, over the world till his hair turns grey. Till his hair turns grey. On his returning, he tells the wonderful things and happenings, and he will not be able to swear that he ever came across a fair and faithful woman, a beautiful and faithful woman. So you can see the difference between the all supernatural things and this impossible task. In stanza 1, the list of these impossible tasks is comparable in this stanza 2. Donne here judges that finding this type of woman in the world is as impossible like to the given examples or given impossible task in this stanza 1. In the third and final stanza, Donne firmly clears that if anyone finds a woman with both qualities, he would not go to meet her, even if in the case of next door, even if in the case of very next door. Meeting with her would be worthy of worship burden, a pilgrimage, a pilgrimage, or a holy act to having the meeting with that woman. But it would be futile, it would be of no use. And what he gives the proof or the talk that because she would have been false with 2 or 3% inconsistency of that woman till the poet reaches to meet her. So this poem is example or remarkable for its poetic beauty, its simple style, its dramatic elements, and use of hyperbole. Thank you.